All right, so here's the plan. I'm going to try some prompting to create an AI generated story. Let's see how this goes.
Bet. Gotta flex somehow. Nah, it roasted me, using me. Hey, we locked in. That ain't me.
You could be going viral right now. Smile more.
He smelled like sin.
Whoa.
I like this
Um, so far, I don't think this is working out for me, but we're going to see how it work.
Well, y'all still broke, huh?
These generated images aren't even speaking patois. My vex you now.
Y'all got 72 hours to move. You next.
Wide rings.
And this prompting isn't easy, bro. I've been at this for hours. The people are not even speaking patois. Me I get vexed to us. Boy, me have to get this prompting by the hook or the crook. Something have to go on.